Okay, I'm going to be going over with you page 11 of the FSA Warm-Ups Grade 5 packet. This will have your next 3 letters in your mystery word. If you did not catch the first 3, you'll need to look at the page 10 video. I'm going to begin by going over page 62, which has a table with a sequence of 2 numbers and has a Part A, Part B question. Part A says the unknown number for day 5 is, so I need to go back and kind of figure out what did they do to get this mystery number. So I'm kind of looking through my sequence of 2 numbers and I'm trying to identify a pattern. So what did I do to go from 5 to 20 and does it apply to the next column? So I could say 5 plus 15 is 20, but it doesn't work moving on because 10 plus 15 is not 40. So what else could I have done? Oh, 5 times 4 is 20. 10 times 4 is 40. And so I can see that that would work. So the next number, 5 times 4, would give me 100. Moving on to Part A, Part B. Part B says the rule that describes a t-shirt sold related to the amount of money earned is multiply by 4, and that's the one we just identified. Looking at number 63, it says the shaded part of the diagram shows what portion of a full meter of string Jeannie has. She will use 3/5 meters of the string to make bracelets. How much string will she have left after making the bracelets? So first I'm going to look at this, and it says that just the shaded portion represents how much she has. So when I count those intervals, you're going to notice that there are 9 shaded and there are a total of 10. So she doesn't have the full meter, she only has 9/10 of a meter, and she uses 3/5 of the meter. So essentially you're doing 9/10 that she has minus 3/5 that she uses. Now I should recognize that I cannot do 9/10 minus 3/5, so I have to create an equivalent fraction with common denominators. Both fractions can have a denominator of 10, so I rewrote this as 9/10 minus 6/10, which gave me my correct answer of 3/10. I circled this one because I wanted you to identify that that is a distractor. A lot of students are going to look at the picture only and not answer the question. They're going to mark 1/10. Moving on to my next part. Oh, your first letter is I. Lindsay made a map of her town. Match each location below with the correct ordered pair that marks it on the coordinate grid. Not every ordered pair will be used. So we have all these different locations, and I'm just going to give you a quick reminder that when we're doing our X and Y coordinates, we're going to go across our X axis first and then up the Y. So run and then jump. Your x-axis is going to represent how far across it is, and again, your y-axis is going to represent how high. So all I did is just find each location. So the clock tower, I see it's here. And again, going across first, and then up, its ordered pair was 1, 3. I continue that on, but I did not complete it, so hopefully you'll be able to complete the rest on your own. Moving into the next question, it says, an adult elephant eats about 300 pounds of food each day. Write an expression to represent the number of pounds of food a herd of 12 elephant eats in each day. So I went through and I used cubes, so I circled my numbers, 300 pounds, 12 elephants, in 5 days. Then I underlined my question, which is to write an expression to represent the number of pounds. Now just a reminder, if somebody write an expression, I don't actually have to solve that expression. I boxed an operation word of each. I also probably should have boxed the word in 5 days because there are 3 numbers I'm working with. So I took the 300 pounds and I multiplied it by a total of 12 elephants. This is how much one elephant eats multiplied by how many elephants I have. And then I put that into parentheses. And then I multiplied that by 5 days. So one elephant is going to eat 300 pounds. But I don't have one elephant, I have 12. So that's how many pounds of food would have been eaten times the total number of days, 5. But that's not the only way you could have solved it. Remember that when you're multiplying factors, that you can change your order of factors. So I could also have done one elephant is going to eat a total of 300 pounds for 5 days. So when I'd multiply these two together, that would tell me how much one elephant eats in 5 days. And multiply the total of one elephant times the total of 12. Either way, you'll get the same answer. Good luck. Oh, you need your letters. You got the I, so your last two are E and W.